All right, it is about 5:55 a.m. It is currently 0 degrees with wind chill that feels like -11. And we're going to get a little cold start action this morning on the 2G. And there you have it. There is the early morning cold start on the 2G. Now, if you're curious of what setup is in the 2G, it is 2¼ inch pipe from the manifold back. It is true duals into a dual in, dual out Cherry Bomb Extreme 2½ inch inlet, 2½ inch outlet muffler with 2¼ inch tailpipes. And the tips on it are just some hodgepodge tips that were laying around the shop. I think they came off of an aftermarket system for an Audi. I'll be honest with you. They're kind of big, they're kind of goofy, but they work. If you're wanting to recreate it and you want it to not have the pop and cackle to it when it's cold, I would step up to 2½ inch tailpipes. That would be my suggestion. Or 2½ inch pipe from the manifold back into the 2½ inch muffler, and then go down to the 2¼ inch pipe, just to make it drop toned a little bit and not have the pop and cackle and clap. But if I had it to do over again, that's what I would do. Is I'd have 2½ inch pipe put into it, and then have the muffler, the same exact muffler, because that muffler is a good muffler. I mean, I'll be honest with you, it's good. And then do the 2¼ inch tails and put some actual truck tips on it. The tips that are on it just kind of were laying around. But there you have it. Early morning, 5:30. I'm the noisy neighbor that nobody likes. As always, rides out.